In today's fast-paced digital world, productivity isn't just a goal, it's a skill, and with AI tools evolving faster than ever, the right ones can completely change how you work. So here are 5 powerful AI tools that can supercharge your workflow. Number 1. ChatGPT. Think of it as your all-in-one assistant. Brainstorm ideas, write emails, summarize research, or even debug code. It's like having a digital co-pilot ready 24/7. Number 2. Notion AI. A productivity favorite. It organizes your notes, generates summaries, and even writes project outlines in seconds. Perfect for teams or solo creators who love structure. Number 3. Gamma. Need a presentation? Just describe your idea, and Gamma designs a professional slide deck automatically. It's visual storytelling, powered by AI. Number 4. Otter.ai. Never miss a detail again. Otter records and transcribes meetings in real time, highlighting key insights so you can stay present, not buried in notes. And number 5. Midjourney. Whether you need illustrations, social graphics, or concept art, Midjourney turns text prompts into stunning visuals in seconds. From writing to visuals to organization, AI tools are redefining productivity. Master these 5 and you'll spend less time managing work and more time creating impact.